Hey guys, want to give you a glimpse of this huge Google Nest project that I'm working on today. It's going to be a full-blown smart home system once I'm done. I'm about 75% there now, but got a thermostat here, starting from the basement, security camera in the corner. Also, where did I hide it at? Oh, it's back this way. We did the Google Nest mesh Wi-Fi system as well. So I have good, strong, consistent Wi-Fi throughout the home. They also work as Google Assistant points to where you can speak to them, ask questions, sync up your calendar, play music, so forth. They're pretty cool. So we'll go up to the top level actually, then come back down to the main level to show you how it all ties in. So here, another camera in the corner, Nest Protect. Another Nest thermostat. It's a 3-zone system. Go back downstairs. All the stuff we have going in today. Another Nest Protect. Another camera over there in the corner between the windows. Third Nest thermostat right there. And everything is going to tie into this Google Home Hub that I'll do an overview on later. Here's a look at the outdoor cameras we installed. Here's the backyard camera, which sees all of this. Got another one over here, looking at the gate, if anyone comes through there. Got the video doorbell. And the last one is over on the side here. Looking back at the other gate entrance and the HVAC equipment. Here's a video walkthrough of some of the examples of what this Google Nest Hub can do when it's integrated with the Nest system. So first thing it can do is it can show the different camera feeds instead of just having to look at the phone. So for example, okay, Google, show me the backyard camera.
Sure, streaming the backyard.
Okay, Google, show me the front door camera.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, Google, show me the doorbell.
Sure, streaming front door.
Okay, Google, show me the kitchen camera.
Sure, streaming kitchen.
Okay, Google, show me the gate camera.
Okay, streaming gate.
Okay, Google, show me the side camera.
Sure, streaming the side.
Okay, Google, show me the basement camera.
Okay, streaming the basement.
Okay, Google, show me the upstairs camera.
Sure, streaming upstairs.
Okay, Google, stop. So of course it can do a lot more things as for example, like showing your news, playing YouTube videos, music, visitor announcements, display photos. I mean, it's endless, the different things that it can do here. And it can also be synced and integrated with products other than just the Nest system itself. So it's a pretty cool device and is very useful when integrated with the Nest equipment.